Okay, everyone, so for this project, for the sublimation pillowcase, you're going to want your, I'm using 11 by 17, okay, because once I measure my image, I'm almost certain I'm going to make it a 10.5 by 10.5, so I'm going to, let me grab my ruler. So you'll be needing your sublimation paper, your ruler to measure how big, how tall, how wide you want your pillowcase to be. What I say, 10.5 by 10.5. Yeah, I think that's about good. That's fine. So I'm gonna do about 10.5 by 10.5 image. Get your heat resistant tape and then some scissors, you all. Your sublimation printer. We are using the not the Workforce. We are using the EcoTank 8550 today. Okay. So without further ado, y'all, let's go ahead and go over in the Cricut Design Space so we can get this image put together. Okay, everyone, so here we are in Cricut Design Space. I'm gonna go ahead and hit new project. My image is already put together right there in the front with the Grinch, but I'm gonna do this step by step with you all on how I put the name and stuff in this. All right, so we're just gonna hit cancel. I'm gonna hit upload image. And these are my images that I had already uploaded. So this is the Grinch image that I want. I'm gonna hit add to Canva, click on the image, hit add to canvas, hit add to canvas. And then I'm gonna upload again. Okay, this one has Christmas and the Grinch with it, but that's fine. I'm gonna hit upload again because I need Jackson. So I'm gonna click on the image Jackson and hit add to canvas. And I'm gonna make this as big as I want it to be, this Grinch image here. I want it a nice size because it's going on a pillowcase. Okay, get my Christmas. Oh, it's supposed to be Jackson, I'm sorry. So Jackson's Christmas, okay? Just like this. And I want this image to be a 10.5 by 10.5. Let's make sure we are straight here. Okay. 10.5 by 10.5. So we're gonna go up top where this little lock is. We're gonna unlock. I want 10.5. And I did 10.5, you guys, because I measured the pillowcase. You can measure how big, how little you want your image. It's all about what you prefer. Your preference is fine. This is how big I want it. Okay, so now that I have my image at 10.5 by 10.5, lock it in place. And now we're going to flatten it, because if we don't flatten it and we go to hit make it, our image is going to be all over the place. Like, let me show you. So if I go hit make it right now, this is what's gonna happen. See, it's not together, and it's giving me like 2 other mats that I have to use over here on the left hand side, and that's not what I want. I want it all together. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this, square out my image, and I'm going to hit flatten, and I'm also going to flip. We have to flip this, okay? We mirror it, flip it, and then we should be good to go. It's gonna be on print and cut, okay? Your image should be on print and cut, that's fine. Even though we're not cutting it out, we're just printing it. Now over here, it says low resolution for my image, that's fine. Okay, everyone, so I tried to go back and restart to show you all what comes up over here next to where it says flatten, print and cut for your image, where you can hide it next to the eyeball. It's giving me like a yellow sign right here, and normally it gives you like a little exclamation mark or something like that, warning you that your image is too large. All you have to do is click on readjust your image size, and you should be able to go in and make it bigger than what Cricut normally allows you to make it. So mine is already locked in, and I'm so sorry that I could not really show you that step right now, but there's other videos out there on YouTube that explains to you step by step how to make your image larger. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move forward and hit make it. Oh, make sure you square your image out and you flatten it, okay? So down here, I've already flattened it. And then up here where it says operation, it's not lit up, but it says print and cut, and that's fine. We're just gonna print it. We're not gonna put it in no cutting machine or nothing like that. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and hit make it. If you don't flatten it, you guys, your image is going to be all over the place on separate like mats and whatnot. All right, so here is what my image looks like. It's telling me to use a larger size mat. I am not going to use a mat. Again, we're just going to print this through the sublimation printer. But over here where it says material size, it normally gives you the option to change it. So when you come across that option, go ahead and make your material size larger, okay? So here I go, I'm just going to hit continue, and it's gonna send me over to a printer option. Send to printer, this is what we want. I'm not so worried about the printer, the cutting machine part. So I'm just waiting for it to give me an option of what printer, and I'm going to use the EcoTank 8550. And the paper size that I will be using, I think I showed you on the beginning, is going to be the 11 by 17 sublimation paper. It says, please check your machine to see if it's connected. Mine is connected. I'm just waiting for it. Okay, so now right here, I have to change it to the EcoTank 8550. Go ahead and hit print. I'm going to send this over now to the printer, you guys, and I will show y'all what it looks like when I get back. Okay, you guys, so this is the image right here. Okay, I have a slight line in my M right there. I'm not gonna worry about that, but that is just because I don't run my printer every day. So you should do like a what is it, like a, you should run like an image through at least once a day so your printer will work properly. Okay, so yeah, so I'm not gonna worry about that line. So let's go ahead and take it over to the pillowcase, and then I will be back. Okay everyone, so I went back in and printed the image over because I noticed it was some more lines down here. With these machines, you want to go in and at least do like a daily print head nozzle check just to make sure your inks stay in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this image off, take these black lines and cut them off with the scissors. Okay, and then once I place it, I'm gonna use my heat transfer tape to center it and make sure it stays down on the pillowcase, and then I'll be back, you all, and then we'll get ready to press this. Okay, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and lint roll this, you guys. Well, that didn't come out, that didn't do so good, so I'm gonna go the other way. Lint roll this as good as possible. Okay. Alright. And now I'm going to go ahead and just center my image. A lot of people fold their image in half like this to kind of get like a center, but I'm going to go ahead and just eyeball it. Move this over out the way. And okay, I think that looks good. I think that should be perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just take this down. Making sure my sides are good. Got it in the middle. All right. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take it over to the heat press, you all, and let's get ready to press this thing. Okay, here we are at the heat press. Remember to check the pressure of your heat press before you get ready to press this, because you don't want to mess it up. I'm gonna take, because it's a zipper right here, and I'm just gonna put the zipper on the edge of my heat press. Okay, keep that in mind. I don't want to mess the zipper up. But yeah, so check the pressure of your heat press when pressing your pillowcases. All right, here we go, and I got it. It's supposed to be 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and let it count down, and I will be back. Okay, everyone, here we go, and 1. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and just hold my image. It is hot, so be very careful. All right, I just took the tape off. Okay, That's all I did. Now I'm gonna just put my finger here, grab the image together so we don't ghost. Oh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. All right, y'all, I'm gonna turn y'all around, okay? And this is what it came out like. Oh my God, you guys look so cute. Look at that. It is freaking cute. Jackson's Christmas. Now I just gotta get a pillow. I think the pillows that we have on our furniture right now are a little too big. I don't know, let me go get one. I'll be right back. Maybe if I get a smaller one, but that's what it looks like. Look at that. Oh my God, that is so cute. And then if I make another one, I have a matching set. Yes, y'all, it came out really cute. Okay, everyone. So that was my first time actually doing just a sublimation image in Cricut, because I'm usually Silhouette Studios. But it wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. It was just making the image big and the cut lines. I was kind of confused, but I got through it. I got it done. I showed y'all how I did it, and this is what the pillow looks like. So yeah, you guys, if you all like this video and it was informative, or you know, you guys just like to follow along so you can watch what we create and all that good stuff, don't forget to hit that notification bell, like, share, and subscribe, you all, and please continue to follow and watch the content that we continue to put up for all you all to see. So I will see you all in the next video. Okay, stay blessed. Bye.